Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to calibrate an oscilloscope. Calibration is crucial because it's ensuring accurate measurement and reliable data in our experiment and troubleshooting.
Step 1. Prepare the oscilloscope. Next, check probes. Ensure that the probes are in good condition and calibrate. Turn on the oscilloscope and allow it to warm up. 15 to 30 minutes. Set up the calibration signal. If calibrating with an external function generation, set the function generation to output a 1 kHz square wave at a specific voltage.
If the lines do not reach the end, we can use the button to move the position. After we move it a line, now we can get a good line. From there on, we should attach two connection wire to get an accurate reading. To get a perfect wave, we should use the ms like 2 ms and voltage like 0.5 volt. And that is your oscilloscope is now calibrated and ready for accurate measurement. Regular calibration is essential to keep the oscilloscope functioning reliably. Thanks for watching and happy measuring. Goodbye.